Right, hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making some pancakes and we are going to be using the blueberry pie filling. So we're making blueberry pancakes this morning, guys, because we are hungry and I don't want to wait too long. This is pretty easy to make. So I'm going to go ahead and measure. I'll tell you as I get these ingredients in here, but we are going to use, let's say we're going to be making somewhere between 10 to 14 pancakes. So that's going to take 2 cups of this mix and 1.5 cups, 1.25 cup of cold water. So I'm going to get all this stuff together and then we'll go ahead and mix it in there. Like I said, I was going to use the frozen blueberries, but I want to try it with the blueberry pie filling. This must taste delicious. All right, guys, what I'm also going to do is put a couple of strips of bacon in the air fryer while I'm preparing this. So let's get started. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. And that's exactly what that is. It could either be quick, but you know what, guys? Sometimes you gotta take a little bit longer and and that's fine too. So even if your recipes are long or your recipes are short, even if you take out or you grill at home or you go visit someone, listen, it doesn't matter here on Quick and Easy Meals. Let me tell you who's hosting. So we have Jennifer at home, Jean Home Decor and More. We have Debbie Bubbles, and we also have occasionally my Mountain Home and Kitchen. If I forgot anyone, I'll link them down below in the description box. Let's get started. I'm excited. All right, now what I did want to show you guys is these fryer liners, air fryer liners, and this is what they look like. So this is the bigger one, and now the Dollar Tree is carrying 2 sizes, and this is the smaller one because some air fryers are smaller than others. Isn't that nice? You can get these both at the Dollar Tree, so it saves so much on cleanup. And so let's go ahead and take some bacon out. Matthew doesn't want any bacon, but you guys know I love bacon. So I'm just gonna take a couple of strips out and put those in the air fryer. I'm gonna say 3 strips. It's good enough for me. Wow, this is some big bacon. Wow. So this is the hickory smoked bacon. It's pretty big. So okay, I got more than 3. And these are thinly sliced, they're not thick sliced. You know what? It's fine with me. Okay, so they're just like kind of like pulling apart here. We're just going to, yeah. So some pieces are thick and then some pieces aren't. Okay, see, so these are thick. And I'll put those the little ones that broke apart over to the side. Okay, so I have 3 thick pieces of bacon and then I have some small pieces. This is going in the air fryer. All right, so I'm gonna get the measurements of these 2 items together for this bowl. And I did bring out some butter because we're cooking them in butter. All right, so I already took the 2 cups of the pancake flour, and this is the pancake mix, guys. It's the Great Value complete pancake or waffle mix. And like I said, you just need to add water, and so it was 2 cups of the pancake mix and then 1.25 cup of water. So here is 1. And here's 2. Well, here is 1/4. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. this. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this in a container, but I did bring a tablespoon out because I think we're only gonna do like about 3 tablespoons of the blueberry. Or you can decide to go ahead and put this on top of the pancakes. I think I'm gonna try it and like while I'm cooking the pancake inside the mix. And then I'm gonna clean up and go and get a spatula. This is so easy, guys, to mix. Quick when you're feeding someone quickly. And believe it or not, we were gonna stop and buy something, and I said, let's just go home, I'll make something quick. You don't need to keep spending all that money. We spent a lot of money this weekend just eating out. It's crazy. Once in a while it's okay, but not all the time. So now, there is a pan that has some butter in it, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do, let's see, I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3. And I may put some on top, okay? So I'm just kind of whisk it in there. Doesn't that look delicious if you guys love blueberries? Over mix it, that's more than enough. Okay. And let's see, I need this spatula. Now you can hear that I have the bacon inside of the air fryer. I hope that's not too loud. Alright, let's see. I'm going to lower this because I don't want to burn my pancakes. And I am going to use the smaller scoop to measure my pancakes. So that is good. I'm only going to put 1 there for my first one, and then the second one I might be able to fit 2. So I'll come back when that one is almost done. Okay, so here's my first one. Here's my first one. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and continue with the other 2. Should be okay. Just gotta allow plenty of time, guys, so the inside of that pancake cooks. So when these pancakes are all done, we'll return so I can show that to you. And yes, my bacon is still in the air fryer. Okay. So this is what it's looking like so far. I think I'm gonna give Matthew these 2 pancakes, and then I'm gonna start on mine. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put some butter until I'm making mine so this will melt nicely. And I'm gonna move this over to the side. I think I'm gonna top his with blueberry. Not sure if I'm gonna do that with mine. So I'm gonna put some more butter in this pan. As you guys know, I love butter. Alright, lower this a little bit. And then put, I think I'm gonna make, let's see, I'm gonna make maybe 2 or 3 for me. He has a stack of 5. We'll throw that one. I think that 3 is looking good. We made just enough. So bacon is already done waiting for me. His stack is already done. He doesn't want any pancakes. So I think we're doing good here, guys. I think we're doing good. I'm just gonna wait for these to cook. We're almost done, guys. Okay, here's my cup, but first pray. Absolutely. Let me try to flip these guys. And they're looking good. I'm gonna flip those, let those cook, and just make one more, and then yeah. I'm not sure what I'm doing with the blueberry topping yet, if I'm gonna use it or not. I think I said I was gonna put it on Matthew's, and this is looking good, and honestly, it really just is not taking long to make this at all. Basically, because that pancake waffle mix box is already mixed there for you. All you need to do is add water. The rest is what I'm adding. And so this makes a quick and easy meal, guys. You can even do this for brunch right now. Let's see, right now in Colorado it is 11, so technically this can be brunch for us. And I won't have to cook him anything to eat until dinner time. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. We just came back from worshiping the Lord, and I am good. I hope you guys are blessed today. And let's see what these are looking like. Yeah, we're looking good. Let me just leave them in there one more minute. Yep, these are good. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate these two. Okay. And then do this last one. See, so that was like perfect. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these plates ready, and then we're gonna head on over to the reveal. Okay guys, so here is what we're having. This was a quick and easy meal. So we have blueberry pancakes with butter and blueberry topping for Matthew, and he likes regular syrup. So doesn't that look amazing though? I shouldn't be having the pancakes, but I didn't add the additional blueberry. I did have blueberries in the mix, but I didn't have additional blueberries, and I'm having that with bacon. And just to cut down on the sugar, I'm using the sugar-free syrup, and of course my coffee. But first pray. I'm sorry. All right, so this is what we're looking like. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.